That's actually like my favorite type of way to teach.
You work for a coding or work with a coding bootcamp.
Yeah.
Right?
So,
how does that work?
Yeah, so I've worked at a few different coding boot camps, as a contractor, et cetera, just teaching people how to code, for about 7 years, and I've taught hundreds and hundreds of people.
Oh, that'll be great.
Because I can help you get from 100 to 1,000 too. I've been, a CTO, a tech lead, all stuff like that. So I know way more than when I'm teaching people the basics. I know way more than that.
Do you know how many people have already taken your mentorship and are successful in their career already?
Well, the mentorship is new. So I know
the mentorship is new, but you have students though.
Yes, I have students that have done my coding boot camps before. I've had somewhere close to about 1,000 students altogether, and a lot of them are in jobs like software engineer here, like Google. Someone at Yum, Corey, who actually works with me in the agency now. He's a full-time software engineer at a Series B startup. This guy knows Sean. He's working at a big company in Chicago.
I could come in as a hairstylist and want to change my whole joint.
Yeah.
Check me. We live in our phones, but what if we can make them? Got every app in the world, where's the participation? Looking for representation. Don't overlook the pavement, Silicon Valley was patient. So join the movement, we ain't got too much time to be wasted. I said it's deeper than cold. Vibe with me, yeah, it's deeper than cold.